What if I told you there's a business you can start with $0? No degree, no office, no fancy website, and it can realistically generate $1,000 to $5,000 per month. It's not crypto, it's not drop shipping, it's not the latest AI trend, it's lawn care. And before you dismiss it as just cutting grass, understand this. Lawn care is one of the most overlooked cash flow machines in America. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to start a lawn care business with $0 and turn it into consistent monthly income. Here's why lawn care works. Grass grows every single week. Homeowners don't want to cut it. HOAs require maintenance, and most people value convenience over doing it themselves. That means recurring revenue. If you charge $50 per cut and service a property twice a month, that's $100 monthly from one home. Get 20 homes on schedule, that's $2,000 a month. And this isn't complicated. No inventory. No expensive software, no complicated marketing funnels. It's simple service-based income that can scale. Now let's talk about starting with $0. You don't even need to own a lawnmower on day one. The first step is validating demand. Post in your local neighborhood groups, Facebook Marketplace, and community pages. Affordable, reliable lawn care services, free estimates. Message me for details. You are testing interest before spending money. If people respond, you're already in business. Once you secure your first few clients, you have options. Borrow equipment from a family member or friend. Partner with someone who already owns equipment and split profits. Or collect payment up front and rent equipment for the first few jobs. Your first jobs fund your startup. That's how you start with $0. Keep your services simple in the beginning. Offer lawn mowing, edging, blowing, basic yard cleanup. Avoid complicated landscaping or large projects. Simple services mean faster jobs and more profit per hour. Now let's talk about scaling this. The key is efficiency. Target one neighborhood at a time. When your clients are close together, you reduce drive time and fuel costs. That increases your profit without working longer hours. Next, offer monthly packages instead of per cut pricing. For example, $150 per month for 3 scheduled cuts. Now you have predictable income. Then add simple upsells: hedge trimming, mulch installation, seasonal cleanups, gutter cleaning. One extra service per week can add hundreds, even thousands, to your monthly revenue. Here's the mindset shift most people need. Lawn care isn't flashy, but flashy businesses often fail. Boring service businesses build wealth. The quiet millionaires in many neighborhoods own service routes, landscaping companies, or cleaning businesses. They focused on cash flow and consistency, not hype. Lawn care has low barriers to entry, constant demand, and recurring income. That combination is powerful. Here's a realistic 90-day path. Month 1, aim for 10 clients. At $50 per cut, twice a month, that's around $1,000 monthly revenue. Month 2, grow to 20 clients and add a few upsells. Now you're approaching $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Month 3, reinvest into better equipment, improve branding, and potentially hire part-time help. At that point, you're not just cutting grass. You're operating a real business. You don't need money to start. You need initiative. The lawn care industry generates billions every year, and most neighborhoods still have inconsistent service providers. The opportunity is there. If you're serious about getting into the lawn care business and want a step-by-step breakdown, pricing strategies, scripts, and growth plans, click on my free ebook in the description below. It's completely free and will show you exactly how to build this the right way. The opportunity is outside. The question is, are you ready to take it?